The disposable eyelash brush is easy to use and convenient to carry. Easy application, creates lush-looking lashes without clumping. Professional makeup tool, which can curl or comb the eyelashes. Work well on eyelash extensions or even fake lashes. The lightweight and small size makeup brush is great to be used on business trips, holidays, wedding, everyday usage and performance. Color your favorative one accordingly to your daily mood. Colorful brush makes attractive you. Handy and textured handle, nylon brush head can easily help you to outline a perfect lash radian. Save makeup time for you. High-quality materials make the using experience perfect. Great for separating eyelashes before-after mascara application. Top reviews from the United States. Great product and value. I am constantly buying disposable mascara wands for health reasons. Therefore, I always shop around to get the most of a quality product at a decent price. These mascara wands are well made, and they arrived ahead of schedule.